Hello, I'm here with your Rondo. Okay, so the part that we had previously changed was that flex pipe, so this piece right here, and our catalyst. Okay, and then we welded in here to the old section of exhaust. This is all the Kia stuff. Okay, so this is all original here. This joint here is the cause of our noise. So luckily the pipes themselves still look like they're in okay shape. Just looks like we lost this this fastener here, and that damaged the gasket. So I can probably knock that bolt out. I'll replace both of them, drill them out, put a new gasket in there with some sealer as well, and then clamp these two back together. The rest of the exhaust, which is the muffler, looks like it's in decent shape, so that should get you set back up. Otherwise, the rest of it looks okay. All right, thanks.